I want to run through my upper body layering system. First, we've got our next to skin layer, just a nice simple base layer like this. I like a zip in front so that you can aerate a little bit if it starts getting warm. They also make base layers with a hood. I in general like to have a hood because you can adjust your temperature on the move with a simple hood like that. So your base layer, you've got, I like these sun hoodies, just a nice light layer, but you can put this over your base layer, put the hood up to keep the sun off your neck. Very useful, rather than bringing a sun hat. So sun hoodie there, a little bit warmer layer. Again, it's got a hood. We're starting to get into our midweight layers. This is a Patagonia R1 layer. Nice and warm, got a hood, got a pocket to keep your food in the front so you can get to it while you're climbing. Great kind of first midweight layer. And then starting to get into the heavier midweight layers, I've got a soft shell here. This is a Hamali Annapurna jacket. It's got some water resistance to it in a light rain, great warmth as well. Then next we've got a nice light puffy layer. This is a down layer. They make synthetic as well. This is the Hamali Alto Cumulus. Very light, very warm. This will go over your base layers and underneath your big heavy parka. It's nice to have a few different options of midweight layers so that you can adjust for any temperature or weather that you might get. And keep in mind as well that all these layers need to fit one on top of the other. You want to minimize redundancy by having layers that you can't wear together, and maximize warmth by being able to wear all these layers together. Then we've got our shell layer. This is a very light, simple design. This is by OR. It's got good waterproof, good wind resistance, but again, very light and packable. I can bring this anywhere with me. I don't balk putting it in my pack because it's so light. Again, this needs to fit over all your other layers, even those midweight layers. This is a bit more of a heavy-duty option, a little bit heavier, better waterproofness, obviously a little bit warmer with the heavier weight. This is by Hamali. Great jacket. Again, it's got to fit over those midweight layers. And then this big guy, this is a 7,000 meter parka. This is about as light as I'd go. There are some great 8,000 meter options as well for some of those higher peaks, obviously if you're getting into 8,000 meters, but Vincent and Denali as well. This is kind of on the lighter end, but I like to layer with more layers and wear a little bit lighter jacket. Some people like to go with less layers and go with a heavier jacket. So this needs to fit over all your layers. It's got to be nice, warm, light, packable with a hood.